Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Shikha. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this cool toned blue eyeshadow look. So let's start priming the eyelids. For this, I'm going to use NYX HD Concealer in the shade Ivory. To set my eyelid, I'm here using Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 012 Ivory. Taking this nude shade, I'm going to define my crease line. It's easier to do this with the help of an angled brush. Taking this showboat shade to diffuse the edges of the first shade. To increase the amber effect, I'm going to use Vido shade. Make sure each color should be nicely blended. To cut the crease, I am again using NYX HD Concealer. Now I'm going to apply the eyeliner using the nude shade. I'm here using Peppermint shade, which is a beautiful shimmery eyeshadow, and with the help of a flat brush, I'm going to apply it on my eyelid, leaving a small area above it. To create a gradient effect, I'm using Backchat shade, which is again a shimmery eyeshadow. Blend all the three shades seamlessly. Adding a white shimmer named as Fair Play on the area which we have left earlier. Applying the same shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corner of the eye. Start working on lower lash line by applying the showboard shade. To give it more depth, add nude shade to it. On my waterline, I'm applying white Kajal from Kryolan. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Volume Express Mascara in the shade black. So that's it for today's video. I absolutely enjoyed creating this look and I hope you also enjoyed watching it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on these tutorials. All the products and my social links are already mentioned in the description box. Till then, take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.